In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a new demo account on XM. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open XM. And as you can see, I have this demo account here. If you want to add another one, click on it. Then go to this plus icon here at the bottom right. Click on new account and choose demo account. Now you have to choose MT5 or MT4. So for me, I will choose MT5 and click on continue. Now we have here the standard account and we have ultra low standard. So I will choose, for example, standard. This is the difference here. You can read them. Click on continue. We have here the leverage. You can change it if you want. For me, I will choose, for example, 500 to 1. Then we have here the base currency. You can change it if you want. Also, we have here the investment amount. This is just a demo. So I will choose, for example, 5,000. We have here the account. So I will type, for example, new demo. This is for the name of your demo account. Click on continue. You have to add a trading account password and click on complete. Now, as you can see here, we have demo 5,000. Okay, this is our account, new demo, $5,000 equity. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.